morning from Grand Family Farm. It's May 1st, 2025, and it's around 8 a.m. Heading down here at Milk Bella. Got another load of chips. I'm going to use this pile right here to go along the lane. Let keep the dust down. Well, at least it's Milk and Bella. Alright, Bella's been milked and she's back in there with her babies. Everyone's fed and watered. Bella's been milked. It is a very beautiful day. Hopefully it stays this way. It's 51 degrees right now. Gotta spread some of those piles out today. And I still gotta work on the one in the front. Hey, come on, dogs, you gotta walk. The golf cart won't start again, dang it. Anyway, I get busy, get a cup of coffee in me, and start working. I'll catch you later.